It's a brand new day in Oklahoma City. Tonight they will play against the New York Knicks at 8 o'clock. Oh man, it's been confirmed just now that Russell Westbrook will make his return tonight against the Knicks. And Kevin Durant remains still injured. He will be back during the next week or week and a half. Now Russell Westbrook is an explosive scorer, dunker, he could do everything pass, he is he's the truth. He is the reason why Russell Westbrook and Kevin Durant have the greatest chemistry in the NBA right now, and they're the best two guard players right now in the league. As in, small forward and point guard, but the two best players in the league going around with also like Stephen Curry and Klay Thompson and James Harden and Dwight Howard and Carmelo Anthony and J.R. Smith, like the best two-way players in the NBA right now. Your comments, your opinions.